This is certainly a bloomin' onion. So do you think this was originated at Outback Steakhouse?
Maybe it started in England and it trickled down into Australia.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Hack or Whack. Today we might cry. Claire, what do you have for us?
I have, I guess we'll call it a British cooking hack.
Let's take a look at what Paddington Bear's aunt has to show us.
And show you how I cut onions. So I've literally just taken the shell or what the crispy stuff off the onion, take the hairy bits off, but leave it hairy up and flat on the bottom, and then literally just slice down it like this, but keeping like, I don't know, like a centimetre gap between each bit of onion at the top. Hold it on the side, slice down, and you've got diced onion. Why would you do it any other way?
All right, governor. Let's slice the top end off and just peel the outer layers. Oh, that's very rattly.
Claire, do you have trouble cutting onions? I know lots of people are afflicted by this task.
Yeah, I do. I usually actually wear a set of chemistry, like lab goggles, but I've lost them.
Okay, here we go.
All right, let's do it. And she didn't say to do this, but you can kind of follow like the naturally occurring...
The ribs.
Yeah, in the onion?
Yeah.
Okay, whoa.
Yeah, I got the same. I got a similar kind of thing.
It's a bloomin' onion. Okay, so then you have to kind of, whoops, put it back to, oh no. All right, let's try that. It's just kind of unwieldy now. God damn it, it's happening.
It's happening.
So the problem with this, Joel,
Yeah.
is like it's very hard to keep them all together as you're slicing and you get like uneven. Can you see how my onions?
Oh yeah, I'm kind of getting that too, like the long hairs.
I'm gonna try to trim it a little bit, but it just doesn't. Oh god.
Look, I got huge things like this. This is how much I have left.
I don't think it's safe. Like when you cut an onion in half, you have that flat that you can sit it
Base,
on, and
yeah.
then you can do the horizontal, and then do the. She's basically doing the same thing. She just skipped 2 steps, and it makes it more wobbly, and it makes it less uniform.
If you need a lot of onion and it doesn't need to be cooked super evenly, and if you don't really understand how to cut an onion the proper French way, then it's like, yes, this will yield a whole bunch of diced onion.
There's a reason chefs have been doing it this way for years, and you know how you get good at it? You just do it a whole bunch of times.
Are we calling this hack or whack?
I'm calling it whack. It's not a hack. I think it's harder, and it's not better.
I agree, it's whack. It's 4 hacks. If you are a hack, this is a way to end up with some onion.
I mean, it's working for that one woman, and I love that for her.